Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix the fastest or fastest way to reduce CPU temperature. So to do that, let's head over to the search section. Right here, in here, write edit power plan. And it will arrive. You can also navigate it from control panel. Head over there. From here, go to change advanced settings. And here, scroll down and just go to processor power management. Now go to maximum processor state or double click. And here you can change the battery power or maximum processor state. Here, as you can see on battery, it is 100%. So you can just decrease it to 50% so that your CPU consumption rate will be lower. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.